Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. This is what to expect on Gqeberha this coming week. On Monday, the Mqenge men pulled together to make the legacy survive. Funeka leaves her pain behind. Lulama's obsession with Tulani refuses to stay behind. On Tuesday, Hlumelo wants the whole family to be involved in the heist. Msimelelo'S drinks his sorrows away and Nontle doesn't like it. Lulama lies to her mother about breakup. On Wednesday, Hlumelo is so resolute on the heist despite Nozuko protesting. Msimelelo'S world is falling apart. Sivuyile is spiraling. Matilda notices Lulama throwing herself at Tulani. On Thursday, for Matilda, Lulama's stories aren't adding up, so she's on a mission to figure out why. The Mqenge are nervous as they prepare for the heist. Msimelelo'S is trying to win his kids back, but Sivuyile is proving to be a bigger challenge than he anticipated.